About this item application, the mini speaker is suitable for MP3, MP4, MP5, mobile phones, computers and other devices with a 3.5mm audio jack. Super portable, retractable design. The speaker is small and lightweight, and easy to carry with audio and USB cable. The speaker comes with an audio cable at the bottom of the speaker. Also, it is equipped with a USB charging cable. High performance, low voltage, low distortion, and low power consumption. The speaker provides you with pure sound quality. Built-in battery, built-in 180 mAh battery, no external power supply needed, provides 1.5 hours of playing time at maximum volume, or about 3H. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item application, the mini speaker is suitable for MP3, MP4, MP5, mobile phones,